Hey friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania, in this basement that we are working on finishing off here. Framing is done on this half of things. We've got the pocket doors in, ready to roll. We've started pulling in the, getting the light cans in place where they're gonna live. And so kind of getting those things prepped and ready and starting to pull wire. We've got the receptacles in the various places that we need to have them around the basement here, and starting to pull the wire for that. We're still working on a sudden water challenge that we discovered partway through this project as we got started. There was a heavy rain, and wouldn't you know, water came in. So the customer's kind of been handling that side of things. They did some testing. We've got another flood coming tonight. So he's done some things to the wall. He's going to check and see how that holds up in tonight's monsoon that's coming. And assuming that that stays dry tomorrow, then we can get started with framing that wall. And if not, we may have to get into some water remediation work and figure out how we're going to solve that and prevent the water from coming in before we stud up that wall. So that's kind of holding that side of things up, but we're going to keep working on some of these other things. Got the rest of our light cans up, and so now it's the process of starting to pull wires and getting all the electrical stuff prepped so that we can call for our first inspection for the framing and the rough electrical and those sorts of things. So that's what's going on here. We are making some pretty significant progress, and once we get the verdict tomorrow with the rain of whether or not that's dry, that's going to tell us whether we get to keep working on that wall or whether this project is going to very quickly grind to a halt and force us to move to something else while we deal with figuring out how we're going to stop the water from getting in, and then test and verify that it actually has solved the problem. So that's what's going on here in West Grove. If we can solve a problem for you, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects, and our staff will be happy to assist you weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. You can also message us right here on Facebook. Take a picture of whatever's going on at your house, that master bathroom you want to redo, that deck that you want to build, that space behind your house, the kitchen that you want to totally renovate, whatever it might be, or that stupid little water leak that's driving you crazy. Take those pictures, send it to us right here on Facebook. Our team will be happy to assist you with that, and we'll get it started on our process and help and solve that for you. Remember, when we're done with it, we're proud to say it's not just done. It's CopeBUILT. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.